Today, BML completes 60 years of its existence. On 11th of May 1964, BML was formed, carved out of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. ये जो हमारा सफ़र रहा है, ये कहानी बताता है भारत के ग्रोथ की। भारत ने जो डेवलपमेंट किया है, भारत ने जो उन्नति की है, BML उसमें एक भागीदार रहा है साथी के रूप में। One of the recent successes was the first indigenously designed and developed 1500 horsepower engine for the new generation main battle tank or the future ready combat vehicles. One of the most critical aggregates is the power pack, which is the engine and the transmission. And till a few years back, all these aggregates were being imported. So a thought came that why don't we develop and design an indigenous power pack which will serve the nation for the coming years. BML has been exporting over the last 40 years, and we have exported major platforms for the missile systems as well as the radar systems to various countries in ASEAN as well as Europe. Our endeavor is to increase our defense export turnover and achieve the aspirations of our country to becoming a net exporter over the next few years. BML has been developing its MSME supply chains, and we have been able to achieve indigenization levels of more than 80% in our defense vertical. More than 30% of our procurement is currently being done by MSMEs, and we intend to increase it further to at least 50% in the coming 2 to 3 years. We have embarked on a journey of onboarding talent in the current year. To further strengthen our research and development wing, we are focusing on onboarding at least 200 to 300 people from various institutions all across the country.